Imagine embarking on a fully funded master's program in the cutting-edge field of membrane biology and medicine, studying at top European institutions, and having all your expenses covered, from tuition and airfare to a generous monthly stipend, room, and medical insurance. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Today, we're diving deep into the Erasmus Mundus MemBioMed Scholarship 2025-27. This prestigious scholarship not only provides a pathway to a master's degree in a revolutionary field, but also opens doors to international research and career opportunities that could shape the future of healthcare and biotechnology. Over the next minutes, I'll share every detail you need, what the MemBioMed program is all about, the comprehensive benefits it offers, who can apply, and the eligibility criteria, a step-by-step guide to the application process, key deadlines to remember, and, of course, the official application link so you can start your journey right away. So, if you're passionate about advancing medical research and want to become a leader in the field of membrane biology, grab your notebook, settle in, and let's get started. Hello, global dreamers. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your ultimate guide to discovering world-class opportunities to study, work, and transform your future abroad. Today, I am thrilled to bring you a life-changing opportunity that will set your academic and professional journey on an entirely new course. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to take a moment to speak directly to you. I understand that pursuing a master's degree abroad can be a daunting step, especially when financial concerns and uncertainty about the process come into play. But let me tell you this, your passion and potential deserve every opportunity to shine. The Erasmus Mundus MemBioMed Scholarship is designed to break down those barriers. It's more than just a scholarship. It's a platform to propel your dreams, to immerse yourself in groundbreaking research, and to join a vibrant international community of innovators and leaders in the field of membrane biology and medicine. If you're determined, visionary, and ready to make an impact, then this is your moment. Let's dive in and explore how this fully funded opportunity can transform your future. What the scholarship covers: tuition fees. 100% of your tuition is fully covered. Monthly stipend. A generous monthly allowance of 1,400 euros to support your living expenses. Airfare. Round-trip international airfare is included, so you can travel to and from your study destinations. Room and board. Accommodation and meal costs are provided, ensuring you have a comfortable living environment. Medical insurance. Comprehensive health coverage throughout your study period. Additional benefits. Research funding. Access to grants or additional funds for your research projects. Professional development. Participate in workshops, conferences, and networking events that connect you with leaders in the field. Cultural immersion. Study in multiple European countries and experience diverse cultures firsthand. This program is highly competitive and seeks the best talent from around the world. Here are the key eligibility requirements. 1. Academic qualifications. You must hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent in a relevant field such as biology, biochemistry, biomedical engineering, or a related discipline. A strong academic record is essential, typically with a minimum GPA as specified by the program. 2. Language proficiency, since the program is taught in English. 3. Research or professional experience. While not always mandatory, having research or work experience in areas related to membrane biology or biomedical sciences can significantly strengthen your application. 4. Motivation and commitment. A compelling motivation letter is crucial. You should clearly articulate your career goals, your passion for the field, and how the MemBioMed program will help you achieve these aspirations. 5. International outlook. This scholarship is open to students from all over the world, with a focus on fostering international collaboration and diversity. The application process step by step. Step 1. Research and select your preferred program. Start by visiting the official Erasmus Mundus MemBioMed website to learn more about the program structure, the participating universities, and the specific areas of study. Make sure you choose the master's program that aligns best with your academic interests and career goals. Step 2. Prepare your application documents. Gather all necessary documents. Academic transcripts and degree certificates. Ensure these are certified and translated into English if required. Curriculum vitae. CV highlight your academic achievements, relevant work or research experience, and extracurricular activities. Motivation letter. Write a detailed and heartfelt essay outlining why you want to join the MemBioMed program, your research interests, and your long-term career objectives. Letters of recommendation. Obtain at least 2 strong recommendations from professors or employers who can attest to your capabilities. Proof of English proficiency. Step 3. Submit your application online. Log into the official application portal provided by the Erasmus Mundus MemBioMed program. Complete the online application form and carefully upload all required documents. Review your application to ensure that all details are accurate and complete before submission. Step 4. Await the selection process. The selection committee will review your application based on academic merit, research potential, and your motivation. Shortlisted candidates may be invited for an online interview or further evaluation. Step 5. Final notification and enrollment. Successful candidates will be notified by the program and provided with further instructions regarding enrollment and funding disbursement. My dear Dreams Abroad Media family, the Erasmus Mundus MemBioMed Scholarship 2025-27 is more than just an academic opportunity. It's a life-changing experience that can propel you into a future of innovation, research, and global impact. Imagine yourself studying at some of Europe's most prestigious institutions, collaborating with world-class experts, and contributing to groundbreaking research that can revolutionize the field of biomembrane biology and medicine. With full funding covering your tuition, living expenses, travel, room, and medical insurance, nothing will hold you back from focusing on what truly matters: your education and your future. This is your chance to transform your dreams into reality and become part of an elite network of global scholars. If you're ready to take that leap, I encourage you to apply today and start your journey toward a brighter tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more updates on fully funded scholarships and international study opportunities. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help in any way I can. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who dare to dream. Stay inspired, stay driven, and keep chasing your dreams. Good luck, and see you in the next video.